Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to require Microsoft Edge to always ask where to save each individual file before downloading. So instead of it automatically downloading to the downloads or some other preset folder on your computer or external drive, if you wanted to open up a little dialog window in which you can select a custom location to save the file, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to do that. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is select the three-dotted icon up at the top right corner of the Edge web browser to open up the menu, and then go down and select Settings. On the left side, you want to select Downloads, and then on the right side where it says Ask me what to do with each download, always ask me if I want to save a file or open it without saving. You can either toggle that to the on or off position. Again, if you want to have a dialog window box appear when you're downloading a file. If we wanted to have that enabled and we went to Chrome download, let's say we just went ahead and downloaded Google Chrome here, you should see a little dialog window would appear. If we click Save As, you see it will ask you what you want to do with that file. And if you did not have that enabled, if you had that toggled off, and we download it again, it would just automatically download and install the file. It wouldn't ask you where you wanted to save it. This is the first file when we had that setting enabled. It asks you what do you want to do with it. And the second file, it actually just went ahead and downloaded it. So it gives you a nice comparison. It actually shows you what the difference is. So pretty straightforward process, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.